Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn how script tags and document ready works. So in order to use JavaScript and jQuery, we want to have to add a script element inside of our HTML page. We can make a separate JavaScript file, but another way we can do it is that we add a script element and add that script element to your HTML file so you can write JavaScript code in it. So in order to do this for this exercise, it wants us to add the script element inside of this HTML so we can start writing JavaScript and jQuery. So it wants us to write it above this comment. So we enter it and go above here, and we add a script element like this, and then we have to close it as well. And then inside the script element, we have this code $document.ready function to your script. So let me copy that and paste it inside of this code, and then I'll explain more about it to you. So just copy it, and then just following the syntax.ready function, we have to close this and make sure it closes. Okay. So to use it, this is saying that when your document is ready and the document is ready, load the you can do the functions inside of here, and do the functions inside of here. And we need this to add this because we want all the HTML to load first and then perform any functionality we want in our JavaScript jQuery as needed. And that will be it for this one. Thank you so much.